Jimmy Thang from Maximum PC here. We're here at Zalman's booth at CES 2013. I'm speaking with Edward. Okay. And Edward, what are we taking a look at here today?
Thank you, Jimmy, and welcome everyone to Zalman's booth at CES 2013. We're taking a look at two brand new CPU coolers from Zalman that we're going to be launching Q2 of this year. Now, starting over here, this is called the CI water cooler. It is our brand new closed loop water cooling solution. And you'll notice that this looks completely different from all the other closed loop water cooling solutions out there. This is because our R&D team was successfully able to make our classic Zalman Omega heatsink design with the closed loop water cooling technology. What you're looking at here, this has a cooling capacity of up to 400 watts, so amazing cooling performance. It has composite heat pipes, which is a patented Zalman technology. The water flows into this water block and is distributed through the composite heat pipes, and there's actually two levels of fins here. You'll see that there's a layer of fins and a composite heat pipe on the outside, as well as one on the inner diameter. So this is a lot of surface area in this heatsink, and that is one of the reasons why it's able to achieve such amazing cooling performance.
And you guys just won an award for it.
Definitely. Both of these coolers won the CES Innovations Award. So definitely great products, very innovative, something new, looks great, looks fantastic. Over here we have the FX100 Cube. Now this is a 100% passive CPU cooler. There's no moving parts on it, and it is 0 decibels. Of course, for the people that would like additional cooling performance, we do have the option of adding a 92mm fan in the middle. All you have to do is remove this plate by unscrewing these 4 screws. The fan drops right in, and there you go. It becomes an active cooler, still very quiet, and of course, it dramatically increases its cooling performance. But for those users that would appreciate absolute silence computing, this is the perfect solution for them. Now over here, we actually have these products in a live demo here, built into our brand new MS800 Plus case. And of course, this is a CI cooler. In action, you'll see there's a very attractive blue LED light on the low profile pump block, as well as an LED fan. And this particular cooler also has the capability of adding another fan on the back for a push-pull configuration. Cool. Looks absolutely awesome, gives great ambience in your case. You're not going to find anything that looks like this on the market.
Yeah, most of the other water coolers have sort of a rectangular shape.
Yes,
right?
It's usually just a very basic square block, but of course at Zalman we don't like to do things like everybody else. We want something that looks attractive, cools great, and here it is. Get ready for it. It's coming out very, very soon.
Okay.
Of course, over here we have another live demo, and it is the FX100 Cube, and it is also built into the MS800 Plus case. And as you can see, this particular heatsink, everybody says, oh wow, that thing is really, really massive, but it does fit into a standard ATX mid-tower case. And it looks great. It looks absolutely amazing. If you want somebody to comment about your computer, you put this in it, and you're definitely going to get some very favorable comments.
Can you talk about the technology and how it works, being a fanless cooler?
Well, of course, without a fan, it becomes very difficult to be able to dissipate heat effectively. Now, our engineers have basically just made sure that there's maximum surface area in this particular cooler, and that's also why it's so large. Now, don't be intimidated by its size, because this thing is actually very light. It's actually under 500 grams, and this is just due to amazing design and engineering from our R&D team. They did a really great job. You'll see inside there's also another layer of heat sinks inside, close to where you mount the fans. So this is how they're able to dissipate the heat effectively.
Does it get pretty hot then if you touch it, like the top?
Yeah, it will get pretty hot, as you can expect, but I mean that means it's doing its job. It's keeping its CPU cool. All that heat is in the fins instead of down in your chipset.
Is anybody else doing fanless coolers? This was, I think you guys are the first I've heard.
Well, fanless coolers have been around for some time, but this is definitely the newest one and the best performing one out on the market right now. And of course, this is really focused on customers. Maybe they're doing soundstage production or something like that, along those lines, movie post-production, where the decibel rating is very, very important, and they really need it to just be absolutely silent.
How is it on performance?
For performance, as it comes, it cools up to about 75 watts, so it is entirely capable of cooling all 1155, 1156, as well as Intel's new 1150 socket that's launching in April. If you're going to want to go a little bit bigger, you can add that fan and it'll up its cooling performance dramatically up to 150 to 200 watts. Therefore, and there you go, you'll be able to mount 2011 and all the high-end i7 overclock chipsets.
I see. And in terms of pricing and release date for both of the coolers?
Both of these coolers are expected to launch at the beginning of Q2. The CI water cooler's MSRP is $109.99, and the FX Cube is going to be around $59.99.
Cool. Well, thank you, Edward.
Thank you, Jimmy. And thank you, everyone, for coming to our booth at CES. Have a great day.
Cool.